Hidden in the rainforests of Borneo, huge dark caverns, hollowed out over millions of years by water from the mountains above. They're filled with bizarre creatures, many of which never see the light. Strange fauna that form the backdrop to a very sought-after bird. Flying in at dusk after a day's feeding, this inconspicuous little bird, the cave swiftlet, has an incredible hold over the local people. The birds use a crude echolocation, similar to that of the oil birds, to find their way in the dark, returning to nests suspended high on the cave walls. Local people have set up a maze of ropes and ladders which hang from the roof of the cave. They're not after the birds, they're after the nests. Ever heard of bird's nest soup? It's not just an unusual name for some strange delicacy, it's literally made of nests. The most coveted nests and the most amazing of the swiftlets are in the aptly named White Cave. White nest swiftlets build up their nest from pure hardened saliva, tiny architectural masterpieces, layer upon layer of spit, which sets solidly 90 meters up on the cavern walls. To the locals, these are the most sought-after prize. An hour before dawn, the swiftlets begin to stream out of the cave and head into the forest to feed. The locals now arrive to collect their bounty, each with a government permit and strict quota. Bird's nest soup is very expensive. It has no nutritional value and is flavored purely by what's added during cooking. Good management, which means only taking nests before eggs are laid or after the young have left, is crucial. So, with proper regulations, both the swiftlets and the nest collectors can continue to exploit the dark caves of Borneo.